Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use tabs in Webflow. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what are tabs in Webflow? So tabs in Webflow let you display different content panels inside one section of your site. Users click a tab to reveal new content without leaving the page. So this is perfect for facts, product features, or organized content. So in order to get tabs, what we need to do is click on the plus icon where it says add elements, search for tab, and then go ahead and drag tabs into where you want these to appear. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to pop them here. Now you can see under tabs, we've got a table setting here, so we can move this around. You come off with 3 tabs, but if you want to add more tabs, we can go ahead and click on add more tabs. Or if you want to delete tabs, you can go ahead and click on the little rubbish icon to remove tabs as well. Under that, we've got easings, so we can ease in, ease out, linear, so we can choose what we want to use there, and fade in, fade out settings, and below that says show all settings. So all your settings are going to be on the far right hand side of this page. Now, if you want to go ahead and rename these tabs, we can. So if we click on the edit button, we can go ahead and change this to say like overview tab, and then click save, and you can see it change on the left. And where it says text block settings, we want to change that to overview as well, like so. We can also style each tab like font, background, hover, active styles in the style panel. So that's all located inside of here. Then from here, once you've played around with all the settings inside of here, we can go ahead and preview what it looks like as well. Also, you can switch the tab layout as well to horizontal or vertical in the style panel. And tabs are responsive but test on mobile views. And also you can add animation for content inside each tab pane for a smooth experience.